This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jack Brundage. Welcome home. Wonderful floor plan, tons of natural light and located on a cul-de-sac. This home features a vaulted living room west/fireplaces and hardwood floors, kitchen west/breakfast area, solid surface countertops, abundant cabinets and stainless steel appliances. Oversized main level master suite with beautiful bath and formal dining room. Upstairs are 2 spacious bedrooms, full bath and a huge bonus room. Enjoy the outdoors in this quiet location with beautiful landscaping and a fenced-in backyard. Property was surveyed in 2016 and backyard goes well beyond the fence. This well-maintained home is ready for new owners. For more information, review the details below or contact Jack Brundage at 8